Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and today we're going to go through our brand new Boston Whaler 32 Vantage dual console, one of my favorite boats. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, I'll show you some of the features on it, and we'll also get into some of the options on the boat. So just like all your whalers, your deep AccuTrack hull, very deep V, very big reverse chines. This one's got our stainless anchor on it. We'll get in the boat in just a second, but we do have a full bow cover. And we also have a full cockpit cover that goes all the way to the back of the boat. Comes from the factory with that. Standard's going to be your dive door. So even if you're not doing fishing or pulling in marlin, things like that, for diving it's very nice, as well as getting on and off the boat. Now in the back, as you can see, we got the big 350 Verados. This is also joystick, so those engines will work with and against each other for docking. And we'll get to that in just a second as well. So moving forward, so this is designed to be a family-friendly boat, cruising, things along that line, entertaining. However, you can definitely fish off the boat. We've got our rod holders back here, very comfortable seat right here, very easily just tucks away. And this is kind of a neat option here, and they won an award on this. So this will create a lounger right here if you'd like to. Then underneath your lounger, you also have storage here. This one does have your cockpit table, or you can just have it this way. So it has about 4 or 5 different settings on it. In the back, yacht quality, big, huge stainless steel cleats. This one does have your tow rail. So this is designed for reaching out, you know, to grab a dock line or whatever, or catch big fish. That's a safety feature right there. Also, when you come in the boat, you've got a ladder that goes down, as well as a grab handle right here. But nice entertainment area right here. This is designed to be a cooler here, hot and cold running water, a little bit of storage right there, and we do have your isotherm right here. So we talked about this a little bit. Let me back up for just a second. This is your Sure Shade right here. These have been very popular. This comes out to about right here. So it's an electric shade that comes out, gives you a lot of comfort and really keeps the sun off of you. So let's go to the helm real quick. The helm seat actually goes fore and aft and up and down. When we were talking about our joystick docking, that's where it is right there. That's also where your autopilot is and your sky hook. And the sky hook is a function, let's say we're getting ready to go through a bridge, we need to stay stationary. Push sky hook, keeps the boat perfectly still. Just don't jump off the back of the boat when you do that. This one also has digital throttle and shift. And as you can see, there's no electronics. So we can custom install whatever you want. If you like Raymarine, Simrad, Garmin, what have you, this boat does have that. Active trim is something relatively new. So basically, that's going to maximize your engines whether you're at idle speed, cruise speed, or wide open throttle. Automatically trims them up and down, if you will. This seat also rolls over and also goes up and down. And this is kind of a cool feature here. So this is designed to be like a small stateroom, if you will. So you can sleep 2 good friends in there if you'd like to. And we also have our big hard top, which is really, really nice as far as keeping the elements out. Also, these are all powder coated, so you don't have to worry about the old aluminum that pits and things like that. Inside here, fully enclosed head. There's your shore power cord right there. Dockside discharge, overboard discharge. And then as we go to the front, very, very heavy duty. So this particular door opens here, and this can close, so it totally blocks the wind and or rain. Very heavy duty. Then up front, lots and lots of lounging area. You've got storage underneath all of your seats. You've got the ability to board off the front of the boat, so if you pull up to the beach or something, cool, just push that down. We've also got our windlass right here. We can control that from the helm or right here. So the 32 dual console Vantage, if you will, has been probably one of our most popular boats. This is also a big enough boat if you want to run to the Keys or something, get a hotel room when you get down there. Very popular for that. And this one's located at MarineMax Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. So if you like any additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number is 941-485-3388. Thank you for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon.